Right now, only select big box stores are allowed to operate during lockdown in Toronto and Peel region. So just have a look at how busy it is here at Dixie and Dundas. There's been a steady stream of shoppers all day long. Now today, pressure is mounting on the province to allow all non-essential businesses to reopen, including salons and spas. 47 major retailers wrote an open letter to the Premier saying Ontario's lockdown policy as it stands right now might be making things worse.
Very busy, very busy. We came at this time because we thought there won't be many people, but it was very busy actually.
Despite lockdowns, shoppers have been flocking to the big box stores, even heading to malls in other regions. The letter signed by 47 major retailers, including Indigo, Canadian Tire and IKEA, says the lockdown isn't stopping people from shopping. Instead, the letter says it has funneled those shoppers and the corresponding health risk into fewer, increasingly crowded stores within Toronto and Peel, as well as adjacent communities. Would you be spending your money at those other stores if they were open?
Of course.
On Bloor West, curbside pickup is in full swing at Marlborough Stationery, the oldest store on the block. It's been in the family for 98 years.
All our small businesses can operate in a smaller capacity, offering the safest environments. And I really hope that we can end up opening to the 25% capacity to give us a chance to compete and to succeed over this holiday season.
Salon and spa owners are also banding together to petition the province. So far, they've gathered more than 2,500 signatures. This group is asking for proof that their industry is a source of spread or allow them to open again.
I've been in the industry for 30 years. I never imagined a day like this would come. I hear from people all day, every day. They're hysterical, they're crying, they have to shut their doors because they can't afford to stay open for one more moment. There's just too much of that going on. We have been trying since May to have the government listen, to liaise with us, to get our help, to start a recovery committee, and not to be responded to and not to be answered is a sad state of affairs.
I have to follow the advice of the chief medical officer.
At this point, it doesn't appear the Premier will budge after the health minister pointed to a new study by York University showing that there was a 46% reduction in contacts during the first lockdown after Ontario implemented a series of interventions, including the closure of non-essential businesses.
There is an impact. It does make a difference. It does help to reduce the numbers. It has helped to bend that curve.
Now, shop owners I've been talking to say that they haven't heard of any COVID infections coming from the shops and stores in their neighborhood. The hashtag ShowYourStatsTO is now gaining momentum on social media.